I've been asked, matter of fact, one of my very first requests was a blueberry pie recipe. And so I had to wait until it was blueberry season. You can do this with frozen blueberries and it'll be delicious. But this is mid-June in Texas and blueberries are dirt cheap. Matter of fact, just last weekend, we went to the Blueberry Festival in Nacogdoches, Texas. Had a great time. If you're in the Texas area or the Nacogdoches area in mid-June, check it out. You'll have a lot of fun. So this is a super easy pie recipe. I've got everything all measured out, so we're going to throw it together in a heartbeat. I'm using a pre-rolled pie shell. Feel free to use your favorite pie dough recipe. It's going to be uncooked. My oven's at 375 and it's going to bake for about 50 minutes to an hour. So let's get started. Okay, like I said, super easy. First I'm going to do is see how sweet my berries are. I'm going to cut back on the sugar just a little bit. I'm going to get started with 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar. Check your blueberries. If they're tart, go with the full 3/4 cup. If not, go with maybe about 1/2 cup. I've got 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is going to help thicken things up. Come on, cornstarch. I'm going to whisk this together. That's the hardest part. 5 cups of fresh blueberries. And what I'm going to do, here I've got the juice of 1 lemon and the zest of 1 lemon. I'm going to put this onto my blueberries and give it a really good mix. My blueberries are a little bit wet from rinsing them. They're going to help create the juice, create the sauce, and it's going to help this flour sugar mixture stick to my blueberries. So I'm going to sprinkle this on while I mix. Okay, that's well mixed. That's when I go into my unbaked pie shell. I don't get fancy. I just threw it in there. The blueberries are the star, not how well I crimp my crust. Spread these out. It fills it up. Now what I'm going to do, if I was entering this into a pie contest, a blueberry pie contest, I would do the lattice work, all that stuff, right? But Don's Texas Kitchen, we want to eat. We don't care. I'm not looking for blue ribbons. So what I'm going to do is make a crumble. So I've got about 2/3 cup of brown sugar. I've got about I do have a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I've got about a 1/2 cup flour. Give that a good mix together. I'm going to break up any big lumps of brown sugar. Okay. And I'm going to drizzle in 5 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter. That wasn't much of a drizzle. Mix this up till it's about like a cornmeal. I shorted myself on the flour. All right. This brown sugar crumble mixture is going to go right on top of my pie. Crumble, streusel. If you added, I've seen some people add an oatmeal to this, like a rolled oats, and then it would be called like a crisp. This is going to go into a 375-degree oven. It'll have a nice crust. The crust will be done. So we'll be back. Okay, so it's later in the afternoon. It's completely cooled off. Let's see what we have. This will firm up even more overnight as it's in the fridge. Look at that, whole blueberries. It's blueberry season. This is one of the easiest pies you can make. Takes about 5 cups of blueberries, a little bit of sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest. I used a prepackaged pie shell. Little lemon juice, lemon zest, really brighten the flavors. Streusel topping. Perfect summer pie. Good stuff. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. What am I missing on my blueberry pie? Ice cream, whipped cream. It is good the way it is, let me tell you. Cheers.